Before we can set up the controller, we need to install the PC software and the USB drivers for communication with the controller. Please do not connect controller to the computer before the PC software has been installed, as this might lead to automatic installation of faulty drivers. Before we start making a new layout, we must first create a new clean project. We then click Add Fixtures and select the number of fixtures we wish to use, in this case 6 fixtures, and arrange them in a row. We can move the fixtures around to enhance the representation of our design. A picture can also be loaded in as background to give an even better illustration. Other pictures, such as a floor plan, can also be used for enhancing the physical fixture layout. We have now made a basic layout with 6 fixtures, and we now need to assign them with color profiles and DMX addresses. You can now connect the controller to the computer and connect fixtures to the controller. We select No to Loading Project from Device, as we already have created a new one. We then open the Fixture Properties window. In the Fixture Properties window, we can see our 6 fixtures, which we can select individually or more at a time. We first need to select our color profiles. In this installation, I know that I am having 2 floor light, 2 wall flow, 2 high spot. We therefore select the 2 first fixtures to be floor lights by selecting the 2 first fixtures and right-clicking selecting Set Profile. And select the next 2 to be wall flows, and the next 2 to be high spots. With the color profiles selected, the controller now knows how to control the fixtures to make matching colors. Please note that if there is no color profile available for your fixture, the generic standard RGB LED profile can be used. Before finishing, it is necessary to assign DMX addresses to the fixtures before the controller can send data to each fixture. In this case, we decide to make the software automatically generate addresses for each fixture by selecting all fixtures, then right-clicking and selecting Set DMX, and then from First Available. After setting the corresponding addresses on the fixtures themselves, we can now control our fixtures and start creating our color design. If desired, the fixtures can be given individual names representing their physical function. We can then choose to print out a fixture plan for the installer so he knows how to give DMX addresses to the fixtures. DMX addresses can also be set manually simply by typing in the address in the DMX address field. RDM is the next generation of DMX. RDM simplifies the way of addressing fixtures, as addresses can be set remotely by the controller on fixtures supporting RDM, eliminating the time-consuming process of addressing each fixture physically. Please note that fixtures using DMX and RDM can work together on the same data line without any problem. Before we start, we will create an empty clean project. Make sure your controllers connected to the PC and RDM fixtures are connected to the controller. Then right-click in your layout and select Search for Fixtures RDM. When the search is finished, the software will return with a dialog telling you how many fixtures were found and ask you if you want to keep the fixtures. The fixtures are then automatically added to your layout, and you can now control the fixtures and start creating your color design. If some fixtures are set to the same DMX address, the software will ask if you want the fixtures to automatically be readdressed. More More detailed fixture information can be found in the Fixture Properties window. If the correct color profiles are not automatically loaded for your RDM fixtures, they can also be set manually. DMX addresses can also be changed manually by typing in a new address in the address field, and the address is automatically set on the RDM fixture as well. You can also add standard DMX fixtures if desired. You can see the difference between RDM and standard fixtures in the Type field, where static indicates standard DMX fixture and RDM indicates RDM fixture.